What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ronda B back with another video, and guess what today is? Ronda B's birthday eve. Technically my birthday is on December 14th, but today's the 13th and today's my birthday dinner. So today's gonna be another get ready with me video, and I already got on piece of my birthday outfit because I'm going to attempt to do my makeup again, but this time it's gonna be on camera. So yeah, I'm getting out my comfort zone. I'm going to go ahead and attempt to record on camera doing my makeup. No professional, and as y'all can see, I have a friend. This is why I don't put makeup on my face, because my face is so sensitive when it breaks out. But beauty is pain, and again, tonight's my birthday dinner, so I'm going to go ahead and do a light natural beat like how I did the other day, and we'll go from there. Can't wait to go to my dinner. And do y'all see anything different? Yep, but guess what? It's fake. So I ordered this ring from one of my lock inspirations that I follow on IG, and I'll link her page down below in the description box. But she makes handcrafted nose cuffs, and I'm planning on ordering more from her, but this is, I just wanted to keep it simple and order just a simple gold loop, and I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and move forward with the video, do my makeup, and I'll be back. Jingle bell, y'all, I don't know anything about priming and all that other stuff yet. So again, I'm doing what I know, and yeah. But I'm always open for tips. So if you have any suggestions on what's a good primer, or what steps I should take before I do this and do that, y'all please leave it down below, because eventually, I was about to say, I know I ain't out. Eventually I do plan on getting like way better at what I'm doing. So technically my eyebrows are already like naturally like formed. So what I've learned is just to outline my natural eyebrow line, and don't start from here, because I usually start from like the tip, but I was told to start from like back here and work my way to form my outline and just fill in the brush strokes, and eventually everything will blend in together. So that's a little bit of what I've learned so far. So y'all can see the difference. Full, not full. Full, not full. So, and another thing that what irritates me, I know y'all say eyebrows are not twins, but I can never get this eyebrow to look identical to that. And it irritates my soul. See, I can see it fucking up already, y'all. Yep, messing up, y'all. Then after I draw it, I know it looks crazy right now, but after I draw it, I'm going to clean it up, and then I'll move forward. So I'm going to clean it up with some concealer. The information of the concealer rubbed off, so this is not a makeup video. So I can't tell you exactly what I'm using. I just know what I'm using and how to use it, if that makes sense. I think they're okay. So after that, after I draw these bad boys on, I then move on to my concealer. Yo, my videos just be all over the place, but whatever. I literally got an hour and a half until my dad's birthday dinner, so I kind of need to... Oh no, I know you're not running out concealer. Let's try this again, honey. upside down, y'all, because there you go. I was about to say, oh no ma'am. And let me clean up the top. Y'all be looking so dumb. Ooh. So y'all see how more clean it looks? Once I blend everything together, y'all will feel where I'm going with this. Y'all will feel me more where I'm going with this. Y'all just fucked up. Okay, so after I do my brows, do my concealer, I then mix my foundation. I mix my foundation. And just by me knowing this ring is fake, let me take this out. But I'm gonna continue watching more natural makeup videos because I do want to perfect putting on a light beat. But yeah, I want to perfect putting on a light beat, so in order for me to do that, I have to watch more videos. Woo! Anyway, y'all see this, everything is blending or whatever. Everything is blending. Slowly but surely. But yeah, I really want to like perfect on how to do makeup. Like, I think I love art, and makeup is like a form of art in itself. And I can't do like a everyday beat. Fuck no, that's not the lifestyle I want to live. But like for situations like this, birthdays and all, you know, Christmas parties, and like, you know, weddings and stuff like that, maybe even like date nights here and there, I want to learn how to, like, you know, do like a quick, you know. All right, and I see I done smushed some of my eyebrows also. Let me just draw a little bit in. Let me fill up a little. Let me fill in a little more, put it that way. So I filled it in, brushed back some more, and put some brow gel on it to keep my brows in place so they won't rub off. So I'm just gonna add a little brow gel over my brows to keep them in place. But yeah, whenever I add the brow gel, it just makes the brows look more like, yes, like, you know, you did that type shit. All right. Again, I'm no pro, I'm just practicing. And this is what I've been told and what I saw in a few videos that I've watched. So if you have any tips for my makeup people, if you have any tips for me, make sure you leave it down below. Add another squishy. And you blend, blend and blend. Oh, wait, I forgot to, I remember seeing this on a video. Gotta add a little line in the middle. Now back to blending. I don't see how y'all makeup people be doing this. Like, y'all be making that thing look crystal clear. Meanwhile, I'm over here struggling just with the blending part. Okay. Blended. My eyes. I think that's what comes next. I really want to perfect doing the, damn, I should have did this part first. I'm just gonna try to, I forgot what part of the eye I forgot what this part is called. It's on the tip of my tongue, but I can't say it. But I usually just go over lightly with a black pencil. Y'all look. But y'all see, it brings like sexy definition to my eye. So, yeah. Y'all see it all coming together. So, I know Slick know what I'm doing, but I want to get better at it. So since my fingers smudged up under my eye, what I'm going to do now is just blend everything back. Okay. So now let's see what's next. One day I'm going to perfect doing the wing. It ain't going to be today. I want to perfect doing the wing on your eyes. I think that look is just so freaking like cute. So I have powder, and these lashes are from my homegirl Ari the Barbie. You can find her on IG. It's literally Ari the Barbie, and she does hair, style lashes, she does lashes, stuff like that. And since I don't like getting my lashes done, I support and buy the strips. I can put the strips on quick, fast, and hurry with no problem. You feel me? And I don't know if y'all can hear what's going on in the background. Please disregard that here. So yes, and I do use this hair glue. Everybody has their own opinion about this hair glue, but it hasn't steered me wrong yet, so. Now I don't know how to use tweezers to put my lashes on. I've been doing it with my fingers, my hands, since I've learned how to perfect it, and I don't plan on changing. And once I do that, I just make sure it's blended, combined with my lashes. I just gently squeeze it together. Be careful not to poke yourself in the eye, because y'all should have seen when I tried at the beginning when I took it to put my lashes on. I've been literally jabbing myself in the eye. Y'all see? And all my lashes I buy from her, I stick with the natural sets. I hate like too dramatic, like I hate all that. So I just try to stick with the basic. Oh, y'all need to hurry up. All right, so I'm gonna apply my lash for the lash. Let me see if I can do it on camera. Y'all don't laugh at me. Oh shit. Can't do it on camera. Y'all, hold on. Make sure it's pushed. Ah, see? Fuck, that shit hurt. So yeah. Boom. Next up, what I do is I bake, if that's what y'all call it. Well, I think that's what y'all call it. I'm about to bake my face. I'm about to bake my face. Bake my face. I'm not looking at the video, so It looked like I didn't just put it in the right place. But I don't even know if I'm doing this part right. Boy, I look ashy as... You know what? That's what I get for moving too damn quick until I understand what the hell this damn powder mean. Let me not do that. Y'all, look at this shit. And don't laugh at me either. What the fuck did I do? Alright, y'all, so if I did this process wrong, please let me know. I want my YouTube channel to be raw and uncut to y'all so y'all can know who Ronda B is and stuff like that. I know something goes up here. I forgot exactly. Oh shit, I need to hurry up. I don't even know if this goes up under here or not, but I'm putting it up under there. And I hope my damn face match my damn neck, y'all. I look kind of damn ashy in this damn light right about now. All right. I feel like I'm okay. So, y'all, this is the finished look. Hold on, let me get my phone off this damn thing. This is the finished look. I feel cute or whatever. Are they good? Oh gosh, I can't wait to take this makeup off and do like a real deep cleanse on my face. Cause this was not there until I decided to do the makeup. But yeah, I'm gonna fake it until I decide to get me an actual nose ring. Well, I can't get a nose ring until I leave my job, which I do plan on going, a full entrepreneur. But that's for a whole nother, matter of fact, I'm not even gonna speak on it. But y'all, so now that I'm finished doing my makeup, on to getting dressed. It's already after 8 o'clock, y'all. My dinner started at 9, so I'm already pushing it to the limit. So I'll be back with y'all once I put on my full birthday wardrobe.